So, guys, just as you guys, I don't know if you guys were at the barbecue trip, you know that my kickstand spring broke, and now the kickstand is loose right here. So the spring went here. So I went to GB Bikes today, got the new spring. Let me show you how to install it. So how we're gonna install this spring is the shorter hook is gonna go on this part here. And then this part is gonna go on here. Now the challenge is to pull it back and hook it here. So I'm gonna try to figure it out. Let you guys know how I did it. How the taste of success is so sweet. So finally the spring is on. The kickstand is back to its original form. This spring was a pain in the ass to install, by the way. So I had to make a rig for myself to pull it. So let me show you what I did. So I took a paracord. See this paracord? I made a loop here. Made a second loop here. I put the first loop, let me show you, on this hook here. And I put this breaker bar, okay, on the second loop, and with both hands I pulled this spring back with all my might. So, and then as soon as the spring got to this part, I hooked it in. So moral of the story is, when you don't have the tools, make the tool yourself and show some ingenuity. So that's it. So, all right guys, I'll see you later. Yalla habibi.